Today we are going to make some workflows that read data, update, delete and append data automatically from a workflow to Google Sheet. So let's go. So first we add a trigger node. Okay, after that we add a HTTP node so we can get a data. Okay, so here's the link of it that we put. So what does this link do? It pulls 5 random fake data of user that we will use in our data for data. Okay. After it we add a Google Sheet. Okay. So what we are doing today, right now we are adding data. So we just append rows in sheet. So I'm going to connect a new credential. So we will click add a new. So first I'm going to go here, add a credential. So how to get a credential if you're using a local hosted? In cloud, N8n cloud, you just sign in with Google. But in local, you have to put client ID and secret, client secrets. So I'm going to tell you how to get that. So first go to Google Console Cloud, open that, log into that there and create a new project. So from here, you're going to see all projects. So I'm going to create a new project. So we are going to name it sheet. Okay. If you don't have any organized, so just put no organization. Create it. Now we're gonna see here that project. So we just select that. Okay, now we search for a Google Sheet because right now we just want a Google Sheet. So we search for a Google Sheet API. As you can see, click here, enable it. Okay, after enabling, click on manage. Let's wait until it comes. Okay, after that we are now going to make a credential for it there. First we are going to setting up auth. So we just connect our that thing auth, that why we are using that, who is going to use it, app name, Google. Let's put a sheet. Then email, put your email, click on next. Intel means we are using a inside a Google environment, but we are using N8n. That's why we are going to use external. Okay. So here we are going to external. So here we are going to put a same email. Okay. Next. I agree. Continue. Create it. Okay. After that, click on create auth client. Okay. Click on that. Here put web application, client name, remain it same, no need to do anything. Here add a URL of this one. Copy this, just click it, it will automatically copy, paste it. After that, create it. Here you get a client ID and client secret. Just copy those, go to N8n, paste it here. And just click on OK. And we have to do one more thing. So we have to go here, audience. So we just add a user, our okay. After adding the email, just leave it there. Now go to here, click on sign in with Google. Here you just sign in with it. Click on continue. select all. So as you can see, it is connected successfully. So here we connect Google Sheet with N8n through a auth. Okay, now it is connected. So just put this. Now we will go a new tab, open a new tab, search for a Google Sheet. So we'll go to Google Sheet here and make a new sheet. Rename it sheet. Okay, here we are going to put 4 things: ID, name, email, status. Just make them bold so it will be clear. Okay, now let's back to our N8n. Here we are going to search that. Let's see if the list is coming or not. I don't think so it will come because we didn't connect to Google Drive. All our data is stored in Google Drive. So I'm going to tell you how to use Google Drive. Just wait and let's show a error. That's why we just copy this. So we just enable this Google Drive API. Well, enabling something else. So after enabling, the list might show. Still not. Why? Just connect it again with Google. If the list doesn't come, there are more ways to do it. So let's check. If it don't come, then we'll try more ways. Let's try another way. So here we are going to put a URL. So come here. First, allow this restrict anyone with link. Copy this and come here. Paste it here. Now let's check list is one. As you can see, list one. This is our list one. Okay. Now as everything is come, let's run this. The data is coming or not. As you can see, the data is arrived. Now let's place this data according to this. So our ID is this one, name is this, email is this. Status we are putting active default. So now let's execute this. Do one thing, retry on fail. It will try again, and if it fails, if our Wi-Fi is not correct or something that happened, it will try again. So let's wait. As you can see, the data is stored. See this. Data is stored. Now what we are going to do, we are going to update data. So for that we will submit a data. So editing form, it is triggered on form new. So we are going to put a title, update, rows. In description we are going to put the ID of the row update. And Okay, this is just title and description, nothing else. So what two things are we are putting? One is ID. So that is number, that's why we put number there. Another element, we are taking status. So that is text, but that's why it is text input. Okay, after that we will put another note. Now we are updating the sheet. So from here we will search this update a row in sheet. So we're gonna do same thing. Copy this URL. Come here. Choose URL here. Paste it. This one. So now we are going to execute the previous node so we can get this data. So just execute this. Here we put 3. Here we're gonna put deactivate. Okay, submit this. It don't will not work because I didn't give any data. So let's just stop it. Now as we receive the data from previous node, we just put it here in their boxes. Now let's execute this. As you can see, the data is updated. Let's see the data is updated or not. As you can see, it is updated. Now we are going to make a third that delete data. So for that, we are going to make another workflow for that. Form submission, no, that one. N8n, this one, this form submission. Here we are going to name it delete rows. Okay, here we are going to put enter the ID of the row you want to delete. Okay, so here's the workflow. Now we put another note which is Google Sheet, so that Google Sheet node will delete it. So we are going to select this delete a sheet. There's not a delete row or column, this one. So we are going to select this. Here we are going to put this, the list as came. Now select demo sheet 1. Let's execute this so we can get the data. Oh, we didn't add any form, so just stop this. Come here, add the form element. We just put ID here. ID is number, that's why I put number here. Here, okay. Now execute this one. Here we put a ID, so just 2. Stop this. We are going to put remove this. Which row we want to delete? Second, so we put this here. How many row? Only 1. Okay, now execute this. As you can see, it is true. Let's check. Our ID is deleted from here. So that's how we did 3 things: append data, put data in Google Sheet, after that update the data, after that delete the data. So that are the all function that is done by Google Sheet. If it helped you, like, subscribe. If you have any doubt about this workflow, any of these workflow, then drop a comment and I will reply you.